Black on the city? Y'all get black on the city? Where's the black on the city? Man, we gotta take them all. Come on. We got, there it is. Go. Go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. There it is right there. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Almost out. Go, take it right there. Go, 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 go.
I'ma spit at y'all motherfuckers like this. Like that, nigga. The fuck? Don't play when it comes to my kid. Don't use my kid for clickbait. Don't fucking cut half of the shit that I said about why do I gotta spend time with my child. Cause every single day, like just yesterday, these bitch ass niggas, Joe Budden and the motherfucking podcast talking about, oh, Cardi's doing other things. She's not busy worrying about hip hop because she's doing other money moves. Yes, nigga, I'm doing other money moves. And guess what else I'm doing, nigga? I gotta spend time with my child. So I'm sorry that I'm not doing what y'all niggas expect me to do, cause I gotta do other shit. Like spend time with my kid. The fuck? And then y'all niggas is gonna use what I said, chop it the fuck up, chop it up, and try to make me look like I'm some whack ass mom. Get the fuck out of here.
I can't bother the fucker. Remember call him.
Tina is a good blood clot girl. I'm in love her.
Yeah.
Hello.
I mean, man.
Hello.
So man, I get tech wet.
Me love Tina.
And people start telling me who girl I fuck and who she not fuck.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Me love none blood clot.
No. Facebook hero, but he boy suck your mother.
Akeem don't know.
The blood clot killer.
Akeem.
But you go on.
No.
Don't come back about ya. No, when I'm there for you.
Akeem.
Don't come back, bumba clot boy. No, fuck. Who you see with Kevin?
Yeah.
And I fucking love him.
I see some of the people who call up my name. Suck your mother.
Me love none blood clot.
No, I can't jump down.
She so come back home.
Bumbleclaw.
Me love none blood clot.
No, I can't jump down.
Hello.
Can't jump.
Them I wonder how me did it. How me go on another level every minute. Legitimate and costly, me think legit and me no go and come around and know I me this. Before me left me gonna road, me rather bring it. Defend me life, you know me pagans in it. Cho, nothing no sweet like Wrigley's a road.
Call me. 3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll. And when the coffin I go down there, all I got to have used clabber and dig me off 10 grand. At a round town price. Country price now 5 grand sing, 7 grand sing and ball and roll, 10 grand sing ball and roll go coffin. Went I go down. And 13 grand have to dig me off. As you're dead, call me.